Baru sa birthday ni.
Ate Sandy,
Ano yung bisita?
water here.
Yes. Ano yung bisita?
Pakita na itong mga drinks na yun. Ko kayo.
Drinks o patilag ko ah.
Yes.
Yes.
Cheers. I got thirsty.
Hingilag kong baby. Birthday girl nga biba.
It's so blurry.
My favorite granddaughter is there.
Put your hands on, baby girl.
Hello, world.
Yes, hello world.
Hello, world.
Baby girl, put your
Okay, can we do with or without?
yeah, go like this then. Okay. Okay. Hang on a minute.
Hello, Michaela. How are you?
Hello Steve.
You okay now?
Yeah, okay. Good.
Ate, mommy's bag there.
Unsa man gid ni? Ang song tatatay uy.
The reamer up there. And they go like this.
That's good. The good first. Yeah. Hang on. One, two.
Okay, I got my right hand now.
Say hi uy.
I have a CT scan here.
Is that connected to your heart?
I don't know.
Sorry.
Right here, that's the left hand.
Right.
Kaya Steve. Nakusgan nga vlogger.
Sa position ana right?
Ana-ana?
Wow.
Sorry.
Also, Sophia.
Asa si Sophia?
Give me arm, I'll use my head for a business.
That's a good idea.
Kaya magsuon.
Ako na para
Ay, mga heroes. Ano ba na?
Go at Sandy.
Look at this.
Yes, look at this. What's that?
I heard sesame seeds. No, that's what I was saying. I think sesame seeds are okay. It's just not.
This is not really. No, he can do that now. He can
Color in.
so that now dito tayo table dito.
Pancake, see something in your birthday. How old are you, baby? This is my favorite
years
cake.
old.
Wow.
2 decades down. It feels good.
Very good.
Yeah. I'm old. You're old now.
I
I know,
know.
Banky, remember, I'm old now, too.
It's been 20 years since I was born.
Yes, yeah, baby. Oh my lord.
How old
So
are you?
plus 20.
Well, like, are you 70? 70?
Gumana kami. Doon.
He's 100. I like that.
Okay, thank you for serving old people. Okay, so you have to take care of yourself. Who old kid, grab this.
Sige din. Salamat din.
Okay, birthday girl. Thank you. It's too weak to lift up a piece of paper.
So, what would you like to eat on this?
Guys,
Yes.
All right.
this is all for now.
One of the time there is a clam out in the water. You go, and they get caught so that you can eat them.
Both of us. Oh, you sleep.
Rice. Unay plain rice there.
Well, I want some of that.
Ayun ba hang on.
Why you take a picture of food?
Okay. Who allergic to nuts? Don't touch them.
The cube is slow, see?
I know it's slow, but just
Bisaya please, no
Bisaya,
English.
please.
Speak Philippine.
No English please.
No English.
No English.
Me no understand, excuse me.
No.
okay. ready.
She's doing it.
Are you doing it already?
Yeah, well, because it's just so cute. So it's going to take a long time
Once you look at photo done.
Dad already got the other one. Dad already got.
You're going to learn because you're going to be really smart and you can do this straight away.
Yeah, what's that?
Oh my goodness. Guys, this is boring, okay?
Okay, good girl. Good girl. Who's timing it? No, it's Ben's timing it. Doing cute. Thanks, Ben.
I'm sure it's all by now, but this is so like... It's stiff! Guys! Believe me!
No pressure.
Do you have to sleep here before you finish?
Okay, there's a top half all solved, see?
Wow.
Wow!
Minute 20 minutes it off.
Okay, finishing it off takes a long time.
Maverick?
What's that carefully, Maverick?
Just under. Yeah!
Uy!
Okay.
Holding under pressure.
Yeah, well,
Yeah!
Uy!
I have to remember the thingy. Too many.
2 minutes.
Guys, I told
Oh,
you, it's
time's ticking,
boring. Guys! 4 minutes.
12 seconds.
Okay, last 9. I'm nearly finished.
Okay, nearly finished. 2 minutes. Wow, that's amazing. Wow.
Mom, this is so cute. I do so much quicker. Trust me, please believe me, guys.
Nearly 3 minutes. Wow.
Shut up then.
Doing well.
No, and even
Look at this, all finished.
Maverick, what's wrong?
Two more. No. We're not talking about time, okay? It's about achievement. It's about achievement. It's about cube.
under 3 minutes. That's right, guys.
2:59, 2:59. 2 hours and 59. 2 hours and...
2 days. 2 days.
But still.
20 years.
Wala, ibutang ni sa kwan. Bag.
Where's Al? Patrick. Okay, let's go. Happy birthday now.
Pag-photo sa ako, te. Okay, kamu kuya.
Bianca,
Bangking.
Bianca, it's
Photo.
happy birthday.
Okay, one is. Thank you. Okay. I enjoy. Thank you.
20 years.
Let's say happy birthday.
Cannot
Wait. Okay, speech, Bob, speech.
No speech. Thank you. Love you.
Oi, speech. You are live, okay? You are live.
You and Dad, go.
Well, in the first year, we had to change the nappies 5 times a day.
Save it for the
Sometimes I
21st.
had poos and sometimes I had wings.
Thank you.
Sometimes it was just
And she
hard.
used to say, Dada, Mama.
Okay, let's go. Everyone, come on. Okay, dali. Picture sa tabang.
Bianca, let's have a photo with everyone.
Lingkod diha. Lingkod.
Sir.
Actually, kids sit here. You go here, kids. Adults there. Go
Dai,
there.
dai.
On the floor.
You go like this, kids. Here. Stand there, please. With
On the floor.
No.
Face the other way. Face the other way.
One name.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Anja. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hooray! Hip, Wanna blow? You wanna blow?
Picture pa sa picture. Picture. You go.
View in Hillary at night. The boys roaming around night time in Hillary's.